Hey you guys, are you a person who suffers with dry hair? Are you experiencing breakage? I'm going to show you how you can address those issues in just 5 minutes. I'm going to show you how we went from this to this in just 5 minutes, so keep watching. Welcome back you guys. As you know, I'm Stylist Lee and I have another makeover video for you all. And if you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe below. So today we have our model here, Miss Brandy C.
Hi guys.
And today we're going to be addressing some of her concerns. As dry hair, she hasn't had a trim in about 1.5 years, and we want to go ahead and address those issues because she is experiencing a little bit of tangling knots. So we're going to remove those, and we're also going to address some of her dryness issues and also her dry scalp issues. I'm going to be showing you guys 2 products that you guys can use to address those issues and concerns. The products I'm going to be showing is Miss Chick's Deep Conditioner. Miss Chick's Deep Conditioner has a lot of essentials that can nourish your hair and soften your hair up to help you with soft managing hair. For another product, you can try the Design Essentials 5-in-1. That's also a great penetrating deep conditioner that can also help you with moisturizing your hair and softening your hair up so you can not experience those brittle and hard experiences that you may be having at home. And for your split ends, it's really good to remove split ends once every 6 to 8 weeks or as needed. If you're doing your protective styles properly, you can go a little bit longer than 8 weeks. You are manipulating your hair a lot and you are doing a lot of hairstyles or heat styles, it may be necessary for you to trim your ends once every 6 to 8 weeks. So you have 2 products that I recommended for you that you can use for your hair for dealing with dryness. A timeline on when it's the proper time to do a trim for your hair. Begin with Brandy's hair. So we're going to address her dry issues. We're going to shampoo her up, deep condition her. After we deep condition her, we're going to blow dry her out. And we're going to blow dry her out because we want to make sure we address those split ends. So let's get started. So we have her deep conditioner in. As you guys can see, we fully shampooed her up. She's nice and clean. We went ahead and did a clarifying shampoo to remove some of the dirt and debris. And then I followed it behind a dry and itchy scalp shampoo. And then right now we have our deep conditioner. One great tip when doing your deep conditioning treatment, it's always good to detangle while in the process, while your deep conditioner is sitting before you set it under dryer. So I'm going to go ahead and detangle her up, and we're going to start from the bottom, working our way up. Her deep condition. And now we're going to go ahead and start with her blow drying process. And then after we blow dry her, we're going to go ahead and attack those dead ends and trim.